In today's video, I will introduce to you the most powerful letters of the English alphabet. The English alphabet has 26 letters, but only 5 of them are the most powerful. Let's meet them. A, E, I, O, and U. Every vowel has at least 2 main sounds, a short sound and a long sound. Think of it like this. The short sound is the vowel's everyday sound, and the long sound is when the vowel says its own name. Short vowels, long vowels. A, apple, ant. A, acorn, April. E, egg, elephant. The long sound E, eagle. B. The short sound I, igloo, fish. The long sound I, ice cream, rice. The short sound o, octopus, October, The long sound o, oval, open, The short sound umbrella, cup, The long sound u, unicorn, uniform. For short vowels, your mouth is relaxed. For long vowels, you often stretch the sound. Vowels are the glue that holds words together. Without them, we can't make a sound. Don't forget the 5 vowels and your 2 main sounds. Goodbye.